Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for cherry blossom theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles. For this hairstyle, you're going to select no bangs and then you're going to color it with this brown color. Okay, and the next one I'm going to select the sleeves, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this pattern. Go to the pattern and then select this flower pattern for the first selection, and for the cuffs or trims I'm going to color it with this pink color, and for the lace as well. Alright, and the next one we're going to use this granny dress, but I'm just going to select the top only. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to apply the same pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, the next one I'm going to select this heel and I'm going to color it with this pink color. Okay, you can use my color code. And the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, the changing room, and then I'm going to select the skirt, this one, and change the toggle to layer. Okay, then again you can apply the same pattern, and I'm going to select this one as well, and we're going to set it like this. Remove under the shirt, remove the bow and gem. Okay, and I'm just going to choose the details and lace. Okay, and I'm going to color it with this pink color. Oops, sorry. I'm going to color it with this. I'm going to apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to apply this pink color. Okay, for the lace weight I'm just going to apply white color, and for the next one this pink color. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to choose this earring and also this one, and then I'm going to change the color. Wait, for the first selection, for the second selection I'm going to color it with this pink color, and also for the third selection. Okay, it's done. And I'm going to select the ribbon. It's here. You can choose this ribbon and color it with this pink color. Okay, and the next one I'm going to select the flower from here. Okay, this one, and we're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, this one guys, and we're going to color it with this pink color for the first selection, and for the second selection we're going to choose this pink color. Okay, it's done. And then I'm going to go to the culture clothing area, and I'm going to select this umbrella from the Japan set, and I'm going to apply the same pattern. Okay, for the first selection, and for next selection I'm going to make it pink. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create a cherry blossom outfit and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.